Here in Iowa, USA, there's a large farm with tens of thousands of acres of high-yield corn, now fully ripe. Two John Deere S780 combines are rapidly harvesting. The scene is impressive but not very eco-friendly. The S780, made by John Deere, is an automatic combine harvester with a self-developed 13.5-liter six-cylinder diesel engine delivering 547 horsepower. It's very powerful. At the front is a John Deere 712 FC folding corn header, 9.27 meters wide, harvesting 12 rows at once. The machine moves along the corn rows, pulling whole stalks in, quickly separating, husking, and threshing the separated stalks. And cobs are crushed and expelled, leaving only the kernel stored in the 140-liter grain tank. Once the tank is full, it unloads at 140 liters per second onto transport trucks, emptying in under 10 seconds. This harvester is known for its efficiency, harvesting 150 tons of corn per hour, covering under 30 acres. So here's the question. If you also planted tens of thousands of acres of corn, would you buy this machine?